or something, let us know and we'll stop.
All good.
All right. Yeah, our suspension is getting shit kicked out of it, scaring this one of you guys around. God, I love that. This is so much fucking fun. We've just been running people back and forth. Yeah. It's fucking hot. God, oh. Yeah, so that Elo's over there. Can't wait for that. It's gonna be fucking wild. All good?
Yep, we're good.
All right. Say again? Do not do that. I'm just joshing you. I'm thinking we gotta take a left and go through these trees here. Oh shit.
Stop the tank!
Hey, get in! Get in back, you got me! Get the fuck in!
Hey!
Get the fuck in! Oh, Tyler. Bro, chat, this is so crazy. They got Airsoft ear support coming in, bro. What do you say? We're good.
If we want to drink. I didn't know they were serving beer yet.
Where you going?
Let's go with you.
Nah, that was fucking nice.
I bet. I had to sit out for an hour.
Did you? I did too.
I think maybe 2 hours.
I sat out for an hour.
I was fucked.
Yeah.
Like
I even told Marshall. I said, hey, I got lightheaded. I went to the truck and laid down.
Yeah, now
Contact, front left. Motherfucker! Get on my back!
Jump out and take off this van here.
Where?
we'll do that again. Go out there. I'll cover. Actually, no. Keep the gun.
Yeah, he wants this one.
Actually,
Hey!
do it. Do it.
Yeah.
Hold on, we're going. I got one. Go. Go.
They're getting it. He's getting it.
Bro, that's a cover fire. Fucking damn it.
You good?
Yes, he is.
Tyler, get out, get that guy!
I don't know where the fuck he is at.
Right here.
Right where?
360 security.
Yeah, that's my fault, man. My mag.
I don't know where the fuck. Yeah.
You are?
Yeah. You got a bandage?
Get out! Take a knee!
Here. Drop down. I'll get back. Come.
No.
It's blue.
We're coming around!
Visual front.
What's that? Oh, this side.
This side?
Yeah. This side. 3 o'clock.
Go, Tyler.
Go. Swapping. struggling with that drum. Holy shit.
You want to try the other one?
Yeah, just the other goddamn one, please. Quick. Thank you. Where's the other one?
Right here.
No, the other one.
Drum mag's up there.
On the other side? I don't.
Keep the wiggle out there, Tyler. I'm trying to get my ass back in here.
What's that?
I can put a rocket in there.
Alright, just keep an eye out.
Hey, you can put a rocket. Fucking do it. Hit it with the rocket.
Hit what with the rocket?
This ice cream truck. Look out. Open that door. You're in there, you're dead. Want to check it?
Hey, hold, no.
If anyone was in there, they'd be dead.
Hey, Aaron, open the door for me.
You can't get the other one.
It's a little fucking-
it took a rocket.
Hey, a little overkill, don't you think?
Is he in there?
Yeah.
Well, you're in there. You should have been in there.
He's in there now? No, he's in the front of the van. He's at the front of the van.
Clear to jump out. Huh?
Automatic on. Yeah, jump around the back side.
Move. Go. I'm getting back in.
God
What
damn
the-
it.
He do-wheeling over here. Where? Oh shit.
Back side.
Watch it. Oh, the bandage out of my shit right there.
Hey, you got a bandage? Oh, there's a bandage. Fucking left it off. Should have opened it. It's fucking hot.
Don't have a bandage in your kid here, bud. Hey. Where?
Yeah, we're good.
Just tear it off, right?
Just do like another wrap around. Yeah, and then tear it off and stuff.
Holy shit.
Hold on, don't move yet.
Can't fucking tear it. Yeah.
Hey man, hurry up. I think there's something going down over there. Down this course right behind us. I don't know. I think that's got that.
I'm healing, hold on. Yeah, back in. Alright, get back in.
Hey, we're gonna move up and keep you covered.
Roger.
Hey, he's down. Go for the flag.
Go. We got you. Go.
Flag, down, flag.
Coming in.